Hey guys, I'm back with another card opening, and, this time it is another breakpoint. This time I'm hoping for an EX, although if I don't, I am going to yell. I am only kidding about that. No one wants to hear me yell. Another Trubbish! Gosh, they are really laying it on thick with this Trubbish. Okay. There's Trubbish, Electabuzz, dang, Froakie, Rattata, dang, I can't see it, Kricketot, another Trubbish! Finally, Hypno, Arcanine, I already have one of those, Puzzle of Time, and Swanna. They are really laying it on thick with that Trubbish. I mean, come on. What the heck, Pokemon?